Hey, what's going on? This is Ryan Rosenquist, and we are talking today about acoustic spin and room modes. So we are utilizing this software, AMROC, and the room mode calculator, and we are figuring out or playing with two tones today, the 85.75 hertz and the 102.9 hertz, because they're perpendicular to one another. In this area right down here, it'll show you the image of what the standing waves look like. So with 85.75, it's like that. 102.9, they're perpendicular to it. Now, this will sound, if you play both of them together, then you get about a 30 hertz difference, which will play 30 hertz a second for you if you're using binaural beats. But pretend this is a granite slab or granite stone, you could create anti-gravity just by spinning with acoustic spin. So that's the next thing I want to talk about, is acoustic spin. It forms when two waves that are perpendicular to one another enter the object and they're out of phase, either 90 degrees out of phase or 270 degrees out of phase, they will form an acoustic vortex inside the medium, that being granite. And since granite is quartz, and there would be a tornado in the middle of this slab of granite. Again, the frequencies are 85.75 and 102.9. The length, width, and height of this model is 500, 400, and 300 centimeters. It's not exactly like the King's Chamber, but if you want to put in the dimensions of the King's Chamber, then you could figure out all the resonant modes of the King's Chamber. So yeah, there's acoustic spin. And I always, to my belief, that if you cancel out perpendicular waves, like between 102.9 and 85.75, they're perpendicular to one another, and you can see that in the image down here. And because of that being perpendicular, you can play both tones at the same time, 85 and 102.9, get you the difference of perpendicular planes of standing waves within the medium. And then on top of that, from 90 degrees inwards, each trumpet or horn is at 90 degrees from the source. And as long as you keep on tapping that or playing slightly out of phase with the drum or with a trumpet or a horn, then you could create a lift on the granite itself. This is my opinion. This is just a theory, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.